Chat, I'm back with yet another backtesting video. Yes, I did just upload one, but I'm really bored, so I'm just going to keep backtesting. This video, I will be backtesting until I get to 54,000. So whatever my account's up $4,000 is when I could stop backtesting, but until then, I can't. I'm going to be risking 600 per trade because that's what I've been risking in live time. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. I'm trading May of 2020, or yeah, May of 2020. So yeah, New York session, New York session, New York session, and bam. Okay, here we are, Monday, May 4th. Just get right into it. I'm gonna be starting each day at 9 a.m. The only way I take a trade before market open is if there is a news wick or a data wick, because those are really strong liquidity pool, and there's a lot of setups that happen targeting them during pre-market. So that's going to be the only exception for taking a pre-market trade. Yeah. Is this a data high? No, it's 8:32. Okay, so let's check the hour. Let's check 4 hour first. I need to stop like hitting this thing. My hitting like my face cam because this thing comes up. But yeah, sorry about that, chat. So we kind of look bearish, honestly. So if we didn't already fill this whole new week opening gap, you should fill that, and then shorts would be nice. Yeah, it doesn't look like we filled it. So fill it, maybe hit this high, then shorts would probably be good. We got we got unfilled hourly as well as an hourly low right next to it. Um, so yeah, we have a little bit of room left still. So 9:30 juice swing up, and then a short would look pretty nice here. We're bound to get together, bound to get together. You took my arms. I don't know how it happened. Okay, so it's 9:28. Let me just double check what's going on. So yeah, I shouldn't really take a short unless we hit those highs. We did just sweep out this 15-minute high though. The 5-minute, if we inverse this 5-minute, I'd probably take that, but I'm not gonna like take this 1 minute or anything right now. Let's see. Okay, we re-swept the high. It's 9:30 now. Okay, 9:30. Okay, so we left like relative equal lows down here, so this is good. Okay. Now if we sweep, oh, okay. Honestly, might take a short here. Um, let me check out this new week opening gap. I mean, we didn't fill all of it. Apocalypse. And there's no 30-second inverse. I was sort of expecting like a clean 30-second inverse in here and take that, but there's not one. I gotta stop breathing so heavy too. These equal highs to the left. 4, 2, 5. Two. How aren't these even close to equal? What? High 6, 5, and this one's 6. Okay, yeah, so these are equal highs. So my bias low key might, since we didn't quite fill the new week opening gap, and we have equal highs up here as well. Are those hourly equal highs? 6, 5. 6, 5. Yeah, we have hourly equal highs. So yeah, okay, my bias is low key bullish now. So sweeping sell side, then getting along would be nice. Do we inverse this 1 minute here? So we slightly inverse this 1 minute. I mean, this should be a free break-even trade. I might honestly take this. What time is it? 9:30, 9:35. So we inverse the 1 minute. We have relative equal lows right here. As long as this isn't SMT, we should 100% hit this. Let me check ES real quick. Is it? Okay, it is an SMT. Okay, so never mind. I'm not gonna take this. Wait, did I trade this month before? Pretty sure I didn't, but this like sort of looks familiar. Okay, well, whatever. Um, Pretty much your average no news Monday price action going on right now. Okay, so we filled the gap. We still have so much sell side that I'd want to see it get hit. There's a 1 minute inverse. It's probably no good though. So we filled that. Okay, we swept this hourly high, and we're reacting off an hourly gap. We have an unfilled 15 down here, and we're about to open up an unfilled 15 right here, depending on whenever that candle closes. Yeah, I'll wait to take a trade. And your love and everything because it make me feel so okay, nice. That it went up to break even. Dang, so we already tapped the 15. Yeah, we still have an unfilled 15 below, but we're in one right now, so it doesn't really matter. What am I doing on the 32nd? Okay, about to just go to next session in a second here. Unless we make like equal lows and get a short. This short looks good, but it's 11.26. We made like relative equal lows. We made equal lows here. Unfortunately, we hit them as we got the inverse. But okay, yeah, next session. Enough dilly-dallying during lunch hour. Just go to next session. All right, buddy. I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. We swept this hourly high. Yeah, nothing really going on. Yeah, let me see what market open gives me. I mean, we're probably gonna run all this right now, but holy crap. That is freaking nuts, dog. That is what I call nuts. And I love to everything. Okay, so it's not really any draws besides this hourly high, so I don't know. Might get along to it. Okay, this and never mind. I'm just gonna say this continuation trade looks good, but the draw is so high up, so it's not that good. Dang, it still would have worked though. Continuation trades are such a joke, dude. Okay, we're still just sort of dilly-dallying. What is this, dude? It's already 11. Okay, next session. I need to remember to risk 600 because my last video, I forgot to risk 600 pretty much every time. Okay, boom, we have this high. We have an hourly inverse to the upside. We're reacting off an hourly gap. This is beautiful. Longs look beautiful here. This 5 minute looks a little too clean. I mean, this should work, hypothetically. Hypothetically, this long should work. I hope it doesn't, though, because I want to see a 930 Judas swing. Okay, 929, 930. Okay, and I love forever. I mean, there's gonna be no entries. Yeah, I mean, I'm a forward test this in the back testing session, but I'm not gonna like take anything. I was forward. Yeah, it sounds about right. Oh my days. Oh my days, chat. Could this get any worse? So did we hit this high? Okay, so we swept both these highs. We tapped this hourly gap. Um, I mean, we have an unfold 5 minute. We're inside of a 3 minute. This won't. This second 1 minute probably looks the best. Okay, I mean, this close isn't really good. Let's see if we could be bearish at all. So, tap this 4 hour gap, swept this hourly high. I mean, I could definitely see us being bearish here for a second. I mean, there's not really any reason to go higher unless we're extremely bullish. And I love, what is this? Pre-market lows. Pre-market lows aren't really that cool. I mean, we have an unfilled 5 minute. That's like, we inverse the 2 minute. We're still in the 3 minute though, is the thing. And this close is just not good. I'm gonna just wait. Yeah, I don't think a trade that I've skipped out on has ever failed. Like it's like this one it'll failed because I would have had my stop at this high. It's just so annoying. Every trade I like don't take freaking ends up winning. And we can't even get the 5 minute inverse. We just go straight to 930 low, dude. Sick, bro. This is a movie. Slowkey looks like a good continuation trade. And I mean the draw isn't the best, but this like pattern looks good. I'll do a fake continuation entry. See how it goes. Actually, I'll put my stop up higher in case. Yeah, I'll just do this for my fake trade. Any 30 sec? There's not even any 30 seconds, so yeah, no entries. Break even here. Would that have been break even? No, it wouldn't have. Okay, Chad, do I just switch to continuations full time? I would be 2-0 right now, but instead I am 0 for 0. Okay, so this looks like a good pattern trade long, but realistically isn't that good. Like we already swept all the buy side. But so we swept this hourly low, filled this hourly gap. Um, and we tapped this 15-minute devil's mark, whatever it is, 15-minute fair value gap with the devil's mark. We're inside of a 5 minute right now. So do we inverse the 5? We did not. I mean, like this is a decent pattern trade, I guess, but just nothing I'm interested in. No offense. No offense to anyone in the chat. So we did just inverse the 5-minute here, but like still, I'm not really that bullish. We just swept every buy side possible already. You know, I'm gonna catch a continuation. Okay, bet. I'm low-key about to catch another continuation. Okay, continuation trade. I'm in this. Stops, break even. How do I... Dude, this is so beat. Am I like 4 for 4 on forward tests? 3 for 3 maybe? This is actually a joke. Continuation trades are actually so easy. It's insane. I genuinely might have to switch. But I'm not. I'm not gonna switch. You gotta stick to strategy. Okay, so yeah, this hourly high. We also have an unfilled hourly gap below. So shorts would look good after we hit the high. So that's probably the best case scenario. Or I guess longs after we sweep sell side won't look bad either. But we're probably gonna go up. I don't know. We have like triple equal highs almost. This looks pretty good. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm liking the sell side. Now I just want an inverse. This inverse looks clean. Dude, I didn't fucking mean to... Okay, chat, I'm counting this as a win. I did not mean to click it twice. I promise you I did not mean to click twice. We got the inverse. We got the inverse on this candle here, okay? Okay, so we got the inverse on this candle. There's not even a way to like rewind, dude. That just sucks. Okay, so I would have done this. TP. Actually, I would have moved my stop tighter. And took profit. Actually, just took profit. Am I actually about to go negative RR? I would have just moved my stop to 1-to-1. So, okay, we just hit my take profit. So, chat, I would have just taken this win. I spazzed out and clicked twice. So, I'm up 600. I'm not going to lie. I don't care what my balance says. I'm up 600. This was the most perfect trade I've ever seen. Swept buy side, left all this resting liquidity. Cleanest 1-minute inverse I've ever seen. 930 Judas swing up. Just chef's kiss. Chef's kiss at trade. So I'm up 600. I don't care. But I'll still look since I technically didn't even take that. But I would take that 100% of the time. That's like the trade that I look for every single day. Okay, we have 1-minute inverse. This sort of looks shambles though. Okay, we filled this hourly gap. Maybe unfold 5-minute. We filled this 15-minute gap. Unfold 5-minute? Nope, no unfold 5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, it's a good pattern trade, but I don't usually pattern trade too often. Dude, could a single inverse fail? Okay, so we have a short. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's not reacting off anything, so nah. Okay, we have a 1-minute inverse here at 11. Respected the hourly gap. We filled the 4-hour gap by a T. With a 4-hour inverse to the upside. Okay, maybe this could be the dagger. Still respected this 15-minute. We have a 5-minute inverse. Meh. I don't know. Like this is meh. I mean, we have some mid LR right there. This is just meh. It's probably gonna work to be honest, because every single inverse I miss out on works. Yeah, of course it does. Okay. So I'm 1-0. I'm up 600. I don't care what my balance says. I literally just spazzed out. I got so excited that there's finally a setup that I spazzed out. Okay, data wick. I'm catching along here. I don't care. I'm catching along here. Okay, so we have a 1 minute inverse here. Hold the phone. Um, just can't say goodbye. Whatever it takes. 3 minute inverse, 2 minute inverse. I mean, this is like a pattern trade, but can we just sweep sell side first, please? I beg. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I love this. I love this. I'm about to just enter a momentum candle. No, I'm not. I lied. This 1 minute looks like it could be good. I mean, this data high is a protected high. Okay, we swept. Okay. If we like keep going down, we're just gonna end up being bearish. But if we get a long here, this would look beautiful. Okay. Yeah, we're low key just bearish, of course. When we get a data high, actually, okay, maybe I'm not gonna speak too soon. Might still get along. Okay, so filled this 15-minute gap. We have an unfilled 15-minute gap up here as well. Tap both these hourly gaps. Looks like we have a bullish reaction off of them. Let me check the 4 hour just in case. Fill this 4 hour gap to a T. Boom, unfilled 15-minute above. It's weird because we made relative equals pretty much. But this doesn't look like a bad continuation trade here. But I'll probably wait for this 5 minute. Okay, 9:51. So okay, 10 o'clock. Damn, this just sucks, dude. What is this? Like we still respected the 5 minute. So we should respect these hourly gaps. Unfilled 15-minute right there. We're still in this 5 minute. We have a data high above. I mean, this close is kind of bad. Do we leave equals? There's no way we just left equals. This low is 3.5. This low is 3.5. Sick, dude. We left equals. Okay, so I'm not. What time is it? Okay, we officially inversed the 5 minute, but we left equal lows, so I don't even know if I want to take this anymore. Yeah, I'm not going to take this. There's like relative equal lows for sell side and equal lows right here. If anything, this short looks decent. Please come down. I beg. Son of a biscuit, man. Don't just go straight to the data wick, please. Okay. What's this high at? Please be equal highs. 9.5. 4.75. Dang. Okay, so we have an inverse here. Well, it's definitely 11, so we react off these gaps. We react off a 15-minute. React off a 5-minute. Inverse the 30-second. Oh, are these equal highs right here? This high is 7.675. 7.675 equal highs. Please be 11. Okay, it's 11:05, so it's still a fine time to trade. We have equal highs right here. We have relative equals here. We have a data high. I'm gonna take this. Move break even once we hit these equal highs right here, since it's 1106 and yeah. We're just getting 600. Okay, but okay. So unfortunately, this looks like it's gonna be a break even. I knew that was gonna be a next candle. I honestly, there's literally no other entries. I mean, yeah, just hit the data high already. Just hit it. Just hit the data high, man. We all know that's what you're trying to do here. You know what? If we get a good enough entry. Okay, no, there's not. Do I dare forward test another continuation trade right here? Man, I won't. Okay, bet. Okay. Um. Okay, I'm forward testing this one. I'm in longs right here. Okay, did I get stopped? I think I got stopped there. So fair play. First L on the forward test. Yeah, there's just no way we leave this data high. Okay, well, we're leaving it. Okay, whatever. Next session. Okay, there's no data wicks. So whatever it takes. Okay, most obvious draw since '07. This hourly low. Either look for a long after we hit it or look for a short targeting it. Oh, my posture's cooked. That 1 minute short would look nice. There's no way we just pump here, right? There's no way we just pump here, right? So we have a short here. We swept this high. What's this high at? Sorry about that, chat. So this high is at. So these are like 0.75 ticks away. So relative equal highs. If this is like an unfold 15, no, not an unfold 15. If this is unfold 5, it is an unfold 5. I mean, this should work, but I'm bullish, so I'd rather just take a long. Okay, this long looks kind of nice. I mean, we have. So let me check their. This high is 2.4 and then 3.75. 3.75, yeah. So literally 0.25 ticks away. We didn't tap the 5 minute quite yet, but we have a 15 minute inverse. Did we inverse this 2 minute? We didn't. Yeah, so I'm just. Okay. Yeah, it's whatever. That's an obvious play, but not really worth putting my money on. Whatever it takes. This looks like a really good pattern trade. We filled this hourly gap though. Filled this 15 minute gap, unfold 15 minute gap below. This 5 minute inverse won't look that bad. Okay, we swept buy side. I just want to see a short here, man. Okay, so looks like we got this inverse. Yeah, we just barely got this inverse here. Hopefully there's an unfull 5. Nope, no unfull 5. Oh my god, we tapped this 15 minute. Okay. Two-minute and 3-minute. What time frames do we close through? I mean, there's not really any sell side, man. Like, I'm gonna just not take this. Next session, man. This sucks, dude. I haven't actually, like, executed one real win. I technically have a win since I fast forward that one play, but I didn't even execute on it, so this is kind of sad. Okay, this looks like another textbook pattern trade. A little, I mean, it doesn't look as good as the last one, but it should still do the job. We got an unfilled hourly down here. Let's check the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hours not gonna work. Okay. So unfilled hourly we have, where's the London lows? London lows is, okay, I mean we have some sell side down here. London lows is down here. So this doesn't look that bad. Inverse the 30-second. I mean, yeah, this looks textbook. I'll enter this. So it looks identical to the last trade. Fairly identical. I feel like the sell side's a little worse here. What was I about to do? Yeah, let me check the hourly one more time. So unfilled hourly gap, reacting off this. 930 Judas up. Okay, yeah. Boom. Actually, I'll move my stop up to here. Okay, I like that close. Do I move break even is the question. And we added to the LRLR. So we should really just run this as long as there's no SMT. So ES swept 915 and that's it. ES just swept 915. Yeah, so there's no SMT with these lows. Wait, right? 834 is above. 834 is above 6. 854 is above 6, yeah. Yeah, I'm honestly just trail my stop down a little, I guess, and hold. Okay, well, I just spewed for no reason. So nice. This trade was literally identical to the last trade. That's why you just have to be patient, man. Like the setups that come are so obvious. So let me check my official balance. I'm up 700 from that trade, but 700 plus the 600 from the 1R that I didn't execute on. I should be up 1300 right now, so bet I'm fine with that. I'm gonna keep looking. There might be another setup. Oh, if these were equal, those the short would have been nice. Ba-da 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 ba. Ba-da 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 ba. Ba-da 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 ba-da. I left some like relative equal lows. Forward testing a short right here. Okay, it failed. Wow. My forward tests haven't been as good recently. I'm just forward testing anything, I guess. That's probably why. I'm getting cocky. Okay, next session. My posture's cooked, man. Okay. This video is about to be so long. Whatever, I don't care. I'm getting good backtesting practice. And I'm making a YouTube video out of it, so it's a win-win situation here. On photo hourly gap right here. This looks like one of those continuation trades where we like chop on the way up, and then we're just gonna get like a death candle, and then this is gonna be the entry for the continuation. Then we're gonna just keep going lower. But yeah, let's see what happens. I could have just said that for absolutely no reason, but yeah. Maybe there's a data wick that I didn't see. Nope, absolutely no data wick. Wait. Oh. Wait, you could call me crazy. We might have equal highs with a data wick right here. This is definitely a data wick. We have a data low, and then this is definitely a data high, and we have equal highs with it. It's not like a data high though, since there's not really a wick, but equal highs, and that is definitely a strong draw still. So maybe sweep these sell side equal lows and get a cheeky long. I don't know why I said cheeky long, but this inverse looks like a good pattern trade. Okay, I'll forward test this continuation trade long here, stop loss here. Let me check the hourly, see if I could get an actual trade going. Okay, so really bullish reaction to this hourly gap. We made LR. We're inside of a 5-minute right now, so if I were to take a trade, it'd like have to be a 5-minute inverse or wait for a retrace down. But yeah. Okay, I'm officially break even on my continuation trade. What time is it? 9:31. We didn't inverse anything, do we? No. Okay, so break even. Okay, a long would look really nice. Guess we're just going down though, eh? Oh, I need to sneeze again, bro. No, these sneezes are making me mad. It's like not. It's like barely making me like want to sneeze, and then I don't actually end up sneezing. It's annoying, but okay. So we tap this hourly gap. Um, we swept all the sell side. A long would look juicy. This 5-minute long in particular would look juicy. Okay, let's see if we got any inverse. No on the 3-minute. No on the 2-minute. No on the 5-minute. Hopefully the 5-minute like closes next candle. Damn. So yeah, this would have been the 5-minute close. No entry. Hopefully we don't just run straight to TPA. Okay, so do we inverse the 5-minute? Okay, so we inverse the 5-minute here. This could be the dagger. Let me just go through every time frame again. So 9:30 juice swing down, tap this hourly gap, swept every sell side I've ever seen in my life. Bullish reaction. 5-minute inverse targeting 9:30, 9:32 high. I guess it's not really a draw, but we got a data high. We got some LR up here. Do we have these equal? No, they're not. Okay. So yeah, let me make sure it's a data high. I mean, this should be a data high. This is like the main reason I'm taking this because the data high, so it should be the data high. And then boom, entry here. Stop. Stop's probably good there. Take profit, the data high. Um, we're still in a 3-minute, but like this 5-minute close. So this should do the job. Okay, I love this candle. So after this high, I'll move break even. Okay. So we hit the high, so and I'll just take all profit at the data high for what is it, like 101. Please don't edge me like this. Please don't edge me like this. Okay, bet. Wow, that trade was a fucking beauty as well, man. Oh, I want to cry looking at these trades, man. Like, look at all this sell side. Sell side, boom. 930 Judas swing down. Swept all of them with the most bullish reaction I've ever seen. Tap the hourly down here. Tap the 15-minute down here. Bounced right back up. 5-minute inverse. Data high. These generated highs. Like quit playing, dude. I was about to say something else. What was I about to say? Yeah, I've noticed that pretty much all my trades involve like a 930 Judas swing. I don't know why. I guess I just always I don't know why, but all my trades I have a 930 Judas swing in them. So they might be overpowered. I don't know. But yeah, nice little trade. Let's look at the balance now. Up 1400 plus the 600, so it's technically up 2K. So yeah, I'm about to hit. I'm guessing I've been doing this for like 35 minutes probably. And we're like halfway there, I guess. Yeah, halfway there. So yeah, next session. I love that trade, man. I just love that. Okay, let's keep it going. Is this a data? No, it's not. Okay, so hourly. There's no shot these are equal highs. 38 and 38.5. So relative equal highs. So still really good. So ideally, do we have relative equal lows too? This low is 775. This low is, wait, what? Wait, what? This low is 7825. This low is 77. So this low swept this low by like a tiny bit, I guess. Wait, or is it the other way around? No, it's the other way around. Yeah, so these are still relative equal lows. So it looks like these are the draws since we just had some displacement towards them. So yeah, let's see. Maybe get a long, potential long after we hit those, or a short targeting them. Okay, this could be a short. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna keep it a stack. This could be a short. Relative equal lows. We just tapped this hourly gap. We didn't. Maybe a micro 15-minute there. I'm not sure. Swept these highs. Wow, this 30-second inverse at the top was a beauty. We have some low resistance liquidity right here. We have relative equal lows. Realistically, there's no world where I don't take this. I'm just being realistic. LR with relative equal lows on the high time frame. Like this is just it's textbook if I'm being honest with you. Stop loss is gonna be pretty high. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, make sure I stops up there. Okay, I'm fine with that. That was textbook play. Okay, I'm getting back in here. I'm 110% getting back in here. Like it's not even funny. Position size 0? What are we talking about? Why does my position size say 0? Am I missing something? Okay. Yeah, we swept this high. Yes, this looks just beautiful, man. Okay, I could move break even, but like, yeah, so we wanted to hit that 15-minute gap. That's kind of annoying. I mean, yeah, we should run all this LRLR. I'll just keep like pretty much a normal stop. And she calls me back. She calls me back. Okay. Break even here is 100% safe. Then these relative equal lows. I'm honestly confident holding to them. Okay, love that. Made my money back and more from that loss. So that's why risk management is key. This is another really textbook setup. Both of these were pretty textbook, but the second one was definitely better considering we tapped that 15-minute gap. We had more LR. But yeah, this first one is still a take 9.5 out of 10 times. Sometimes I might, nah, that's still a take either way, but this one was just 20 times better. So what's the balance at? So remember, we got to add 600 to whatever the balance is at. So it's up 1900, so plus 600. It's at 2500 right now, so we need 1500 more to go. So yeah, I love that trade, man. See, just be patient. The time will come when there's going to be good trades. Some trades you won't get any trades in 1 week. Sometimes you're going to get 3 trades in 1 week. So you just got to wait. There's no data. Okay. This long looks like a good pattern trade. Just off the dome. Okay, we hit the high, so it doesn't count. So on the hourly, what the frick? We have an hourly inverse to downside. So I mean, like I'm bearish, I guess. Let's check the 4 hour. Oh, I forgot 4 hour just doesn't work anymore. So hourly inverse to downside, but there's not really any liquidity to target is the thing, unless we. Okay, I guess we like have this low right here. I mean, I don't know. Let's see. We have more buy side than sell side right now. But let's see what happens. I mean, we tapped this hourly, I guess. I guess we tapped it. We tapped this 15-minute, I guess. I mean, not a bad pattern trade short, I guess. We have a 1 minute long, I guess. I don't think there's anything to target yet. No, I'm gonna just stay out here. She called me back. She called me back. She called me back. She called me back. Okay. We have a 1 minute short right here at 10:22. We filled this 15-minute gap. We're inside of a 5 minute. I'm honestly probably gonna call it a day. And she calls me back. She calls me back. Yeah, next session. I don't know what I'm doing still. She calls me back. She calls me back. So this looks like it's the draw. We have an hourly inverse upside. Looks like this hourly high is the draw. So either look for a short after we hit it or look for a long targeting it. A long looks promising with these like triple equal highs. they're not at like triple. They're triple somewhat relative equal highs is what I call them. Okay, we are 100% about to pump right now, but there's no entry. Actually, let me check the 30-second. Did we inverse this? I don't think we inverse that 30-second, unfortunately. I mean, we hit the high anyway, so I guess. But longs just look good here. Okay, I like that. She called me back. She called me back. Okay, so hourly inverse to the upside. We tapped into this hourly gap. Filled this 15-minute gap. Filled this 5-minute gap. 3-minute, nothing. 2-minute, nothing. 30-second, nothing. So I just hope we go back down, like tap the second 15-minute and get a long. Okay, well. I'm in a fake long right here. Okay, nice. I like to see this. Yeah, realistically, I'm not about to take a short though. Any 30-second longs? This is just like that's not an obvious 30 seconds, so. Please go down. Damn, bruh. So we have a 1-minute long here. If there's an unfold 5-minute, there's not. Okay, so we tapped this 15-minute with the devil's mark. I believe that's what kids nowadays call that. I mean, it's a good pattern trade, but maybe I should start pattern trading more, huh? No, I'd have way more losses if I did that. Okay, maybe get a continuation trade going. I don't know. She called me back. She called me back. $11.50. Not sure what I'm still doing. Okay. So it looks like we swept this. Yeah. Okay, so we're in a little bit of a predicament here. Hourly is not looking too clean. So yeah, I want to see what 9 a.m. gives me. And she called me back. She called me back. So we got some nice. Okay, this long low key. Low key though, this long. We swept this 15-minute sell side. Swept this sell side. I mean, this trend line liquidity is just really good, and this momentum is really good. But this RR is like negative. Let me see real quick. I mean, it's not. RR is not awful, I guess. I could just target this side too. Let me check ES real quick. So there's a bullish S&T at 906. Yeah, bullish S&T at 906. Some trendline liquidity. Are there any equal highs? There's like. I don't think these are equal. 175. 175 and 175? 175 here. 175 here. Okay, we got equal highs too, so I'll take this because this buy side is really good. Once we hit these equal highs, I'll maybe break even. And yeah, I'll just target I'll target a 1-1. Bang. Okay. Yeah, like so many of my trades, there's just no need to have such a low stop, and I can make like way more risk to reward if I just like had a higher stop. But yeah, I feel like I gotta read the room sometimes, because sometimes I feel like it's fine to have a lower stop, but I don't know. I'm gonna just keep doing what I'm doing for now. So what risk reward is this? 0.63. Actually, no, that was not 0.63. It's like 0.4. Yeah, I just can't. I just can't scale here. I'm sorry. It's negative RR, but I'll move break even. Okay, I love to see that, man. Yeah, like notice all my trades are literally look the same. 930 Judas swing down, sweep some sell side, then target some resting liquidity equals generated sell side, whatever it may be. Um, yeah, man. Most of my trades are pretty early too. I don't really tend to take trades at like 10. Okay, let me check. I'm up 2,500 plus 600, so I'm up 3,100 right now. So one or two more wins. Have I taken a loss? I have not taken a loss yet. This is a beautiful moment. Okay, the sell side is the best sell side I've seen since the '07 sell side. And this buy side's good. So whatever way, whichever side we take out, I'm looking for a play the other direction. Ideally, we sweep buy side at 930, then get a short, but beggars can't be pickers. Or, yeah. Ain't that what they do? Come on, go up. Okay, I love this. And this displacement might be a little too much. Okay, maybe not. Like, dude, if we get this inverse, it's actually a joke how similar all my trades are. There's just no way we get this inverse, right? Okay, there's no 30-second. Why is it not going? Okay. Let's check 30-second. Okay, yeah, looks like we might just be bullish. Like, yeah, we definitely are bullish. Yeah, we're just displacing very heavily past these highs. I wish I could check the 4-hour to see what liquidity is going on over here. It looks like we got a high right here. So this is probably going to be the draw. Dang, man, shorts would have looked nice. Yeah, I guess there's still like a chance if we go down right now to get a short. And she called me. Yeah, we're just bullish. I'm not really trying to take anything in this. And she calls me back. She calls me back. It's 11. Damn, bro. Imagine we got this short. Whatever. Okay. I need datas. Oh, wow. I believe this is a data low, if I do say so myself. So, this could be the dagger. Looks like we could be a little bearish too. We just tapped this hourly gap. I mean, we filled this hourly gap. But yeah, I'll look for a short target in this data low, 100%. Maybe like sweep this high first. I don't know. She calls me. Hopefully we go up first. Okay, nice hit the high. Nice. Okay, a short would be lovely now. 930. Okay, let's see. Okay, so filled this hourly gap. Swept this 15-minute high. I mean, yeah. London lows down here. So yeah, this data low looks kind of nice right now. Is there any entries on this leg though? There's a small 2-minute. There's a small. Yeah, that's about it. Honestly, any 30 seconds? Not really. So hopefully we could find an entry in here. Okay, we could just be bullish here. I mean, there's an inverse there, but like, we're probably just bullish now. Okay, so we swept this hourly high. She called me back. Okay, this could be good. Set the hourly high. Bearish reaction. Unfilled 5-minute below. We're still in a 2-minute, and we're still in a 3-minute though. So nah, it's not really that good. Yeah, it would have been break even anyway. Okay, now hopefully we could get a better entry for a short. Oh, this 5-minute. Hold up, this 5-minute looks like it could be good. We got to stall for a little though is the thing. Actually, this 3-minute. Well, probably whenever this 5 or 3-minute closes. Okay, so did we close either of them? Not the 5-minute. Okay, we closed the 3-minute here. This might be a take. I'm not even gonna lie. I wish I could see what's over here. So we filled this hourly gap over to the left. Okay. Actually no, we're up here. What do we do up here? We did like nothing over to the left. But on this side, we swept this hourly, got a bearish reaction. She calls me back. The 3-minute looks cleaner, but the 5-minute is just the higher time frame. And we have a data low. Yeah, we have a data low. We have some low resistance liquidity. And more or less. It's not the best low resistance liquidity, but it still is. I don't know. This looks textbook. I don't freaking know. I don't freaking know. I don't freaking know. I don't freaking know. If the data low was like a little bit closer, I would like 100% be in this. I honestly might go for it. I'm gonna take this. With the data low and everything, this just looks too good. Okay, I'm entering. Boom. This could possibly be my last trade. What I don't want to see right now is us go up, because then we're gonna respect the 5-minute. I don't want to see that. Okay, we inverse the 5, right? 100%, right? Okay, one more candle. As long as we don't go to the moon. Okay, bad. Love this. I love. I don't know what I'm saying. Good thing I didn't wait for the 5-minute, because we wouldn't have even gotten an entry. I don't know if I should even move break even like this. This should run. What time is it? 9:54. Yeah, like this should just run, honestly. Let's play it out. Okay. We should hit this low now. Okay, we hit this low. I'll probably scale some. It should be 1R, right? I mean, I could have scaled at 1R, but we pulled back a little bit. Probably scale half. So these are some pretty important lows. We also have a data low, so I think scale in half is a safe play here. Okay. I like this inverse. Nice. I'd love to see that. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. 3277 plus 600. Not gonna lie, I'm calling it a day. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna. I'm calling it a day. I know I said 4K. We got to add 600 from that one trade I missed plus 600, so it's at 877. So it's at 53877. So 100 away from 4K. But I'm calling it. I don't care. I didn't lose a single trade. That is kind of nuts. Sure, I lost these forward test trades, but like there's I don't care about. Wait, no, I did lose a trade. Okay, I didn't have any losing days though, because the trade I lost, there was a perfect setup right after, and I made my money back. So yeah, one loss. So yeah, I'm happy with how this went. Let's do a trade recap on this last play real quick. So really bearish reaction after sweeping is out really high. Very clean textbook 3-minute inverse targeting some LRLR right here as well as a data low. I honestly don't even know why I question this. Well, the main reason I question this is because we still were in the 5-minute. And I wanted to wait for that, but I felt confident in the 3-minute inverse, so I just took it. So yeah, data low, very strong draw. LRLR, very strong draw. So textbook play. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you stayed till the end, comment. Comment. What should you comment? Comments. Comment ICT if you watch the whole thing. And yeah, I hope you guys like don't actually watch the whole thing and like skip to like where I draw the tool out, because that means like I'm taking a trade and then just like rewind a little bit and see what my context was, etc. So hopefully you guys do that and not watch the whole video. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, peace out. I'll be posting every single day my trade recaps, my back testing, maybe even just some like psychology tip vids, just really anything. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. It's been the video. Peace out.